All right, folks, welcome to Learn WordPress with Vaughn. First off, I'm recording this from home, so if you hear some funny sound, don't be alarmed. Um, all right, so today we'll be installing a server, an offline server, because data is sometimes a problem when learning. You have to get a domain, you have to get a host, and all of that. But now we want to install a server so that we can work offline and play with our WordPress uh whenever we want to. All right, so we have what's called a Wamp server. A Wamp server is a server that you install on your computer, on your laptop, or your computer, and you'd be able to work on and test your WordPress site and see how it looks like, both the back end and the front end. The description to where to download the Wamp server, it's completely free. The description can be found in the description of this video. The link rather can be found in the description of this video. And also, we also need WordPress too. WordPress is, of course, WordPress. It's the CMS we are using to create our site. Where to download the latest version can also be found in the description of this video. So let's assume that you've already downloaded both. We're going to start with installing the server, of course. Let me locate where the server is on my laptop. Okay. Alright, so documents, softwares. Aha! So this is the Wamp server. So you know how to install a software, right? You just double click, then next, I agree, whatever. Yeah, the same thing applies. Just follow the instructions, next, and you would successfully install your Wamp server. It's straightforward. Now, once you install your Wamp server, you search for it, Wamp, Wamp server, and then you click on it. Once you click on it, it will tell you, do you want to run? Do you want to run it? Say yes, and you would see it here. See, it's green. Normally it starts with red, then yellow, then green. Red means it's not running. Yellow means some are running, but not all. But green means all servers or services are running. So you are fine. And to check that really your server is running, you can open Chrome. Once you open Chrome, you go to localhost. You type in localhost. Aha. Once you see this window, it means your server is running. Now, since you've installed the Wamp, you are also going to see it in your local disk. My computer, open local disk, then Wamp. Look at the folder here. You double click on it and you go to www. Once you go to www, then you create a folder. This folder is the name of your website. I want to create my folder Learn WordPress with Vaughn. So LWPWV. You can type in the full. Okay, let's do it better. Learn WordPress with Vaughn. Yeah, I had that folder before. So Learn WordPress with Vaughn. Yeah. So we double click on it and then we install WordPress itself. We just installed the server. Now I want to install WordPress itself. So you locate where your WordPress file is. Look at mine here. So you double click on it to unzip. It's a zip file. So you unzip it, you extract it into the folder we just created, which is Learn WordPress with Vaughn. So you go to my computer, go to local disk, go to Wamp, go to www, then Learn WordPress with Vaughn. That's the folder we just created. And you see, okay. So it extracts into that folder. Now, once it's extracted, just to check, you go to Learn WordPress with Vaughn and look at the WordPress we just, haha. So now before we install WordPress, we've already loaded WordPress file into our folder, but we need to create a database first for this site we want to create. So we click on the Wamp server. You right click on it, and then you click on phpMyAdmin. Now once you click on phpMyAdmin, this window would appear. Now if this window doesn't appear, then do not panic. You will see a login. So on the username, you just type in root, ROOT, and then in the password there's nothing, it's just blank, and then you click on go. You would see this window I'm looking at now. It's as simple as that. To create a database, you click on new here, new, and once you click on new, you give your database a name. The name is learn with Von underscore database. You can name it whatever really, but just, I think I like naming my websites the database for it to have a kind of similarity with the name of the website, so that it's easier to locate. Sometimes you have multiple databases on your website, so naming your database with the name of the site would make it more easy to locate. So once you type in the name, you click on create, and you've created that. That's just it. That's all. Learn with Von. So you go to your Wamp server now, this page where we clicked localhost before, and it says slash learn WordPress with Von slash WordPress. Now let's explain. What does this mean? Learn WordPress with Von, that is this folder here. Now learn WordPress with Von, and then this is WordPress inside that folder. That's simply what we did. Learn WordPress with Von, then WordPress. Once you click on it, you get this page that welcome to WordPress. Before getting started, we need some information on the database. Remember, we created the database before, which is learn with Von. Yeah, so that's the database we want to link to the WordPress. So we'll click on let's go, then they'll ask you what's the database name. Learn with Von underscore db. The username, let me just name the username Von. More on that later, but for now I'm just going to click on it. I mean, it's best practice for me, it's a personal opinion. Now you click on install WordPress, and you wait, and it tells you, yeah, you've installed WordPress, congratulations, WordPress has been installed, thank you and enjoy. So my username is Von, and then the password I chose. Now log in, and Vaughn is here. Then my password. Yep. Then login. And once I log in, this is it. Congratulations. This is the back end of WordPress. So WordPress is installed. You are good to go. This is awesome. And of course, we'll learn much more in the next video, which comes up very, very soon. Very soon. You've created this in 10 minutes, 11 minutes. You know, it's great. It's great. You might wonder, okay, this is the back end of the website. What about the front end? What do my users, those visiting my site, what do they see? To get that, you go here, Learn WordPress with Vaughn, which is the title of your website, and then you click on Visit Site. I'm holding down Control on my keyboard, so just to put it in a different tab. The link, and look at the website here. So this is what anyone visiting your site would see. Learn WordPress with Vaughn. Yep. Yeah, that's pretty much it for today. This is your back end, of course. Next we would talk much more about some other things you should know. Of course, we'll be creating a blog, we'll be creating a company website, then we'll be creating an e-commerce store. These are what we'll be creating because of this course. Because of this course. That's awesome. Yeah, that should be all for today. Thank you very much for watching. If you love the song, that's Aquilo. He's amazing. I enjoy listening to him. All right, thank you for watching, and see you next time.